To fix the Frigidaire oven F14 error, which indicates a touch control panel failure, follow these steps. First, understand that the F14 error code is a common issue in Frigidaire ovens and can be resolved with basic troubleshooting and repair techniques. Start by unplugging the oven from the power outlet to ensure your safety while working on the appliance. Next, locate the touch control panel, usually found on the front of the oven, and remove any screws or clips that hold it in place. Gently pull the panel forward to access the wiring and connections behind it. Inspect the wiring and connections for any signs of damage, wear, or corrosion. Check for loose or faulty connections, and clean or replace them as needed. Verify that all wires are securely connected to the correct terminals on the control panel and the oven's circuit board. If the issue persists, try resetting the oven's control panel by pressing and holding the cancel and start buttons simultaneously for a few seconds. This may resolve any software glitches or errors that are causing the F14 error code. If the problem is not resolved after resetting the control panel, it may be necessary to replace the touch control panel or the oven's circuit board. Consult the user manual or contact a professional appliance technician for further guidance and assistance. When working with electrical appliances, always prioritize your safety and follow proper precautions to avoid injury or damage. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Frigidaire oven F14 error and get your oven working properly again. Remember to refer to the user manual or manufacturer's instructions for specific guidance on troubleshooting and repairing your particular oven model.